Yes.
Nope. This is the placemat. This we're gonna put the food. Alright, so here's what's inside the packaging. We have ano to din? A knife. Knife, that's right.
I want to have hands.
No, this is for the bread. Ketchup, the ketchup and the mayonnaise. And this one is for the burger, cola, and yeah. So here we have an instruction at the back. Demi, you know what we're gonna do?
Mama, it's corn.
We are going to make French fries. So this is the French fries mixture. We're gonna put it here. Triangular shape. Set this all aside. Demi, can you open it?
Yes, I want to.
This is French fries. You put it here.
Give me some, give me some, give me some.
Yeah, you put it here. Okay, put it properly, Demi. Now we're gonna get water. 2 scoops of water. 1. Yan. Now, Demi, can you mix it? Can you mix it? Mix it all together. Oh, you hold it like, you hold mo nito. Yan. Tapos mix mo siya. Go! Do not eat ha. Mix lang. Oh, sige, mix mo pa. Mix mo lang siya. Ganyan. Demi, oh, I'm making French fries. We're gonna go in the microwave. Then later on, we'll set this one aside and we will put it in the microwave. Then next, so we're gonna make our burger. You want to make burger? Okay, next what we're gonna do is put our mixture. This is the burger. You smell it. Burger. Oh, we will cook it first. Cooking. You want cooking?
I want to taste.
You want to taste it? Yeah, let's get a little and you have a taste. And here. What does it taste like? Good? Oh. Put it here, in the center. Tastes nice. Okay, next is our bread. For the bread, Dalawa din. Oh, that's the burger. We're going to cook it in a microwave oven. This one is the bread. We're gonna put 2 cups of water.
What?
Oh, we're going to cook it. Okay, so this is our mixture. We're going to cook this for about how many minutes? Oh no, I think it's just 2 seconds. I don't know. We'll see. I'll put it in the microwave and I'll be back.
How to make?
Hi Demi, I'm back. We just cooked this. And now, what we're gonna do... Ay! Mainit yan! Cook na eh! What we're gonna do is we are going to make the french fries. So, ito yung packaging. Yung french fries, gugupitin natin siya. We will slice it here. You see this? We will slice. Oh, wait lang anak. Wait. It's hot. Slice mo siya parang french fries. Demi. Slice mo siya parang french fries. Yan. Ay? Ayan, french fries. Oh, one more time, one more time. Okay. One more time. French fries, diba? Ayun, galing nga. One more time here. Pala may pattern eh, oh. So cute. Okay, next is we are going to have our burger. Bread. We can make 2 burgers. One for you and one for Mama.
Wow.
Is it okay? We can make 2 burgers. Slice natin siya sa gitna. Ano? Smile good. You have... Next is we are going to ketchup. Later, babe. Yeah, we will make ketchup. Smell. Ketchup. Let's make ketchup. Look, amazing. Powder, it became a ketchup. So put the ketchup over here. Mayonnaise. Cheese pala yun. Kaya pa naman hindi siya manapot. Wait. So cute. Your feet. Then we're going to make Coke. This is the soda. Smell. How many cups? Wait. Wow, fizzy drink. Oh, galing. Oh, look. So, Demi, what do you do now? You're going to eat it. Okay, you have a taste. Is it good? Can I taste? I'm curious. It's nice. So here we have Coke, burger. We have 2 burgers. And then we made French fries and ketchup. Oh. You all eat. You eat it in one go. Delicious. Can I have a taste of this one? Tastes like burger. It's nice. What can you say? Masarap ba? Masarap? Yeah, try the French fries. Sarap?
Wow.
Sarap? Penge. Thank you. Do you like it, Demi? You almost finished it.
Yes, good to get.
Do you like it, Demi? Alright, Demi. I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the show.
This time, bye.
Bye!